Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. We're going to do an oil change on my CBR 929RR. This is just the oil only. I have a filter on there from the previous oil change that is good for more miles than I'm doing it, so I'm not going to change the filter, just the oil today. What you'll need, 10 mil socket I believe for the one oil pan bolt, which is right under here, if you can see it, on the, I guess, right side of the bike. Then we have 10W40 oil for motorcycles. I'm just using Valvoline. And make sure to get that. Don't use regular car oil. That will actually damage your clutch in the future. Or if you run it temporarily, cool, but I would not recommend it doing for a while. So you have an oil pan bolt here. Move it to the side. So we're gonna find the oil pan bolt. Oops. I'm trying to do this all at once. Oh, looks like this is a 12, I think, so I'm wrong on the 10. Scratch that. Alright. Throwing the 12 on. Cool. And from under here. There we go. It's loose now. Make sure to open your cap. Now, I'm gonna loosen the bolt with my hand and we'll let the oil drain. There we go. That's dirty. And let me smell it. Smells like oil. No gas in there. That's good. Leave the oil bowl here and let this pig drain. As you can see, it was really overfilled. It's still tipping on the left side a little bit, so not even an accurate reading. While that drains, you can get a little cloth, because I should have thought about that before. Still draining. I'm gonna let it drain for like 5 some minutes, so I'm gonna cut to a short break or pause the video, and once it's all done draining, I'll resume. Alright, oil is done draining. I just screwed the bolt back in. I'm gonna push that to the side because holy cow, it's a lot. Here, 1 second. Yeah, that was a little, it looks like it may have been overfilled. That's not good for the bike. Alright. Put this, there's a torque spec, but I'm just doing this, not following torque spec, so sorry to let you down, but I'm just making it a little tight. If you over tighten it, you're gonna have to replace that oil pan, because rethreading it's gonna be a, you know what. Cleaning that up. It's on pretty good. It's not leaking no more. Put your funnel there. And we're gonna pour some oil in. And let's try to zoom this camera out. Put it right here. I believe it takes 3.7 quarts. Thing is, it's not a Kawasaki where it tells you on the thing. It's convenient for Kawi, but whatever. So we're just gonna pour all the oil in here, and we'll use this gauge, the glass here, to make sure it's okay. So. Bottle. Move on to number 2. There's number 2. Now we get to number 3. Alright, it's number 3. Now you can see, still need a little bit more glass here. Still not showing up, or any is showing up, so we're going to do like 3.5 at first, and then we will go on from there. Oh, there you go. Actually went up a little bit. It's slowly going down, so I'm going to keep an eye out on it. There you go, slowly going down in there. Not really at a specific spot yet, so just a little bit more, see what happens. Getting there. And obviously when we start the bike, the oil is gonna go around the bike, get all over, so we might have to just top it off just a teeny bit more, but let's do a little bit more. Looks like we're gonna be in the middle right around here, so yeah, we're actually at a little bit on the lower end, but I am tilting a little bit to the left side, so I'm gonna try and straighten the bike out completely and see where we're at that point. So if we straighten it out, yep, that oil level is pretty good, so let me put the cap back on. Boom, remove the stand, and we're gonna start the bike. See, the bike is clapped. That don't work. And the servo is disconnected, so, you know, kind of clapped out, but still a clean bike. But that's the video. Just that's how to change your oil. And when you obviously stop the bike, check your oil level, top it off if needed. And if you fill too much, might have to drain some out. That's all. Thanks for watching, everyone.